Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today, we're gonna be doing a cleaning vlog. I'm gonna be cleaning this entire house. Insert clips of how messy the house is and everything, just everything. It's really messy, but I'm gonna deep clean the entire house today. From top to bottom, I'm gonna go through all my clothes. You know when you look in your closet and you just hate everything that's in there? That's where I'm at. So I'm gonna get rid of everything that I'm sick of looking at and donate it. There's just kind of shit everywhere and we're gonna clean and organize today so the house is beautiful. We dropped Luna off at the vet this morning. She is getting spayed today. We don't pick her up until this evening, so I'm just gonna clean the whole day. Not that she cares because she's a kitten. She's gonna come back to a nice clean house. Also, if you're in like the Dallas, Texas area, it is absolutely frigid outside. It's supposed to ice over the next few days. It's like 20 degrees. It literally says it's gonna be 0 degrees on Thursday. Absolutely ridiculous for Texas, but it is what it is. We'll be in the house. Vic is making breakfast right now. I'm about to make some coffee because it sounds like I have energy, but I could take a nap right now. So we're gonna do that and then we will start cleaning. Okay, so we're obviously in the closet and this is where we're gonna start. So I have some clothes on the floor that I need to either hang up or put in the dirty clothes, but mostly I want to go through all of my clothes and make a pile of stuff I want to donate that I'm sick of looking at, that I never wear anymore. It's just so hard for me to get rid of stuff for some reason. Like on one hand, it's easy. Things I don't really care about, I will just literally throw it away, donate it, whatever, don't even think twice about it. But when it comes to clothes, I don't know what it is. I feel like this stems back to my childhood of like not having the most fancy clothes like the other girls at my high school or something like that. But I get like attached to it, like, oh, what if I need to wear this somewhere to look presentable or look a certain way or whatever, and I don't have anything like that to wear, like I need to keep it just in case. But let's be honest, if I haven't worn it in 1 to 2 years, I'm not gonna wear it, so I just need to donate it and get rid of it. So yeah, I have a lot of clothes, or it just looks like a lot of clothes because honestly most of the hangers are pretty spread out. If I actually like push everything together, it would probably all fit in half of this closet. So yeah, I think what I'll do is, so that it's not like super boring, I'll probably just speed through getting all the clothes gathered that I want to donate, and then maybe at the end I'll show you guys what I decided to donate, and then we'll move on to another part of the house.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
Okay, I don't know if it looks any cleaner, but it really is. I hung everything up. The only stuff that's over there is stuff I plan on shooting in soon, so I just wanted to leave it out. And then this is all the stuff that I'm gonna donate. That is my mom's top that I found that I need to give back to her. But it doesn't look like too much. I think it's like 13 tops, jackets, and sweaters, and then 6 pairs of pants. Excuse that box with a hole in it. Luna likes to play in that box, so gotta leave that there. But yeah, the closet is all clean. Let me show you guys from over here. So aside from the stuff I'm donating, it is all clean now. Okay, next is this bathroom. So I just had Vic bring all of these up. I need to vacuum because Luna gets her litter everywhere. Oh, this is a litter box. If y'all didn't know, her litter box is in there. And it has this little like spot for her to not get the little rocks everywhere. And yet she still gets them everywhere. So I need to vacuum that. I need to clean off the counters. I need to wipe down these nasty ass mirrors. But the biggest project is gonna be transforming the underneath of the sinks. So this is what it's looking like. So I do have some sort of organization under there, but do you see how all that space above it is not being used because we can't stack anything? So that's where these come in. This is just, I think, the top part, but what you can do is stack it like this. So we have the bigger ones underneath here, and then you stack the other ones on top, and the ones that go on top are open on the top, so you can put taller things in it. Hopefully that works. We're gonna put some on both sides, I think. Vic's is a little bit crazier looking, but yeah, so we're gonna try to tackle that, and then I need to clean the bathroom and stuff. It's not bad in here. I just feel like I need to clean it and like clean the toilet and everything because it's time. That's what we're doing next.
You made this work, I made this worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess, I'm not my best.
Okay, so I've got one in there so far, and I almost thought that this one wasn't gonna fit on top because of the pipe. I don't know if you guys can see back there that that back corner is touching the pipe, but it actually fits perfect. I thought if it was too far to the left, I wouldn't be able to open the drawers because of this right here, but actually, this actually holds this in place better when I pull the drawer, so it actually works out pretty perfect. So that drawer, this drawer, I definitely won't be able to put one in the middle because of the pipe, so I'm thinking I'll just leave my basket of hot tools like that, and then I'll put another one of the shelves on the right side, but let's keep going.
I won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away. It's safe to say, it's almost like you've disappeared, disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change.
Okay, this is my side all done, and honestly, so much better than the baskets. These drawers are barely filled. I can fit so much more stuff in here. I just put what I had. Everything I use on an everyday basis is right there, accessible at the top. It just looks so much better and it fits so much stuff better. So I used 2 of them. I thought I was gonna use all 3 of them, but I didn't. So there's one more top and bottom piece, and I'm just gonna put that on Vic's side right now and organize his side a little bit because same with his, there's just all that empty space on the top that we're not using. So gonna do that really quick, and then I will clean the rest of the bathroom, just clean off this, wipe down the mirror, get rid of all of these boxes because right now it's looking crazy in here. But when I'm done, it will be clean.
My knees, and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come.
Okay, so this is his side done. I think that it looks way better and we utilized a lot more space base. I tried to put this on that side, but for some reason the pipe distance from that wall is not the same as on my sink. So I'm kind of glad that that's my sink and this is his, because I definitely needed to put one on each side. His just has the one, but I did reorganize this part too, and it just looks so much better, way less cluttered and more organized. They just both look so much better in my opinion. And my mom got these from Bed Bath & Beyond because she uses them at her house, so they're really, really good. I'll have them linked in the description box if you're needing something like that, but game changer. And now I gotta clean the rest of this bathroom, so let's go.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave.
So I need to clean off our entire area up here because stuff just ends up there. I still have not decorated these shelves. Those books just got thrown up there. So I need to go to Home Goods and find some really cute stuff, or maybe I'll DIY some stuff to put up there. Random basket, random stuff under here that needs to go. Shoelace that Luna probably plays with. Vic has some stuff there. We didn't make the bed this morning. We usually make it as soon as we get up, but I did want to make it for this video, so I didn't make it. Literally peanut butter Ritz crackers. Like, what even is that? Just a lot of crap everywhere. So this is what we're gonna tackle right now.
You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, everything is clean now for the most part. I did leave those socks there. They're just fuzzy socks that I put on when I wake up because the bathroom floor is cold. So I usually leave a pair of fuzzy socks right there. I do still have all this here, but this is actually for a giveaway and I just need a box big enough to put everything in, but I want to leave it all right there. That's just my mic that I'm still experimenting with, so I want to leave it out so I remember to do what I need to do with it. But other than this right here, everything is clean. Everything under there is gone now. Everything up here is clean. All I need to do in this room is vacuum, but I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the whole upstairs at the same time. So I'm just gonna wait to do that. We're just gonna head downstairs and start cleaning downstairs. Okay, so this is what the downstairs was looking like. Random stuff on the stairs, shoes all over there, random shit all over that table that needs to move. I need to clean off that table, boxes, just stuff everywhere. In the kitchen, stuff just always ends up right here. So all that's gotta go. And then I need to vacuum that rug. I actually vacuumed not vacuumed, I swept and mopped the floors like not very long ago at all. So I don't know if I'll do that again, but yeah, Vic is watching something, some action, something. Let's get started.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing gone. Flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. No, you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Okay, so it's actually the next day and I did finish vacuuming and everything and cleaning, but our cat was getting spayed yesterday, so when she came home everything kind of had to stop. We thought she was going to be extremely tired when she got home and would just be like sleeping, but no, she was acting crazy. She was completely not sedated or anything like that, and then we have to watch her like every move because she takes her cone off and she tries to jump on things and you're not supposed to let them jump, and it was just a whole mess. So I wasn't able to get everything all spick and span how I wanted to show you guys at the end. So I'm just gonna end the little cleaning vlog here. I don't know, this vlog kind of feels like the beginning was probably good and then it turned out to be like a fail, but it wasn't a fail because I did clean the whole house. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I can do another cleaning vlog again and it'll be more structured and more like satisfying. But if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Kinda new with apologies.